So to get started, guys, I'm gonna make my seasoning first. So in here, I'm adding some black pepper, smoked paprika, my cayenne pepper, salt-free garlic and herb, a little bit of turmeric powder, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of flour mixed with cornstarch, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. So I'm gonna drizzle some vegetable oil. My favorite part, because I don't have gloves on, so we are going to smear that on there. Well, my pan is heating at medium high. To my pan, I'm adding some coconut oil. I'm adding some butter. One of that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so we are going to let the chicken rest. I'm gonna let it rest for a little bit before we cut it. But I'm gonna add some fresh parsley. And this is how everything looks like. We are going to go ahead and cut the chicken in a few. The potatoes are ready. And the veggies have been ready. And that's it. We are going to go ahead and cut our chicken. Okay, that's how it looks like, guys. It's so juicy, as you guys can see. So good. So guys, this is my meal prep, well seasoned. Of course, I have some snacks to go with all my bagged lunch because you know, I get hungry. So, but this is what I like to eat, and yeah. So I hope you get inspired and can make your own food. This is what I made, you know, a cheap meal, but yet it was tasty with a lot of flavor. It's not dieting, I'm just prepping because I'm so busy and I like to be ready. So there you go. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you thought.